This is my kids' art frame set that you can actually use to display your kids' artwork. If you've never seen one, they are a great feature to have and really makes your kids feel like they are creating a true masterpiece, which they are. So what I like about them is it actually has a place where you can kind of store the artwork. And what I do is for the front is I like to put a small piece of tape to actually tape it to the front piece of glass. And that's really how I get it to stick. But it has a magnetic closure and has a few different ways you can actually hang it on the wall, which I find really great because you never know if your kid does a piece of art that is in the landscape or portrait size. That I found that the magnetic closure was also very strong and that it's able to hold inside a couple pieces of artwork. It also did come in a variety of colors, which I really liked, but to fit my house aesthetic, I really did like the black, and I felt that it really looked really modern, and that every time my kids look at their artwork on the wall, they just love it.